Welcome back. Today we have something truly special to talk about: the Italy 50 euro cent 2002 coin featuring the Marcus Aurelius statue. This uncirculated coin has sparked interest among collectors worldwide, and we're here to explore its value in dollars. First, let's take a closer look at this remarkable coin. Minted in 2002, it features the iconic Marcus Aurelius statue, a symbol of Rome's rich history and cultural heritage. The obverse side portrays the denomination and a map of Europe, while the reverse showcases the intricate design of the Marcus Aurelius statue. Now, you might be wondering, what is the value of this coin in dollars? Well, the value can vary depending on factors such as its condition, rarity, and demand among collectors. Since this coin is uncirculated, meaning it's in pristine condition and hasn't been used in everyday transactions, its value tends to be higher. Upon researching various online coin marketplaces and auction sites, we found that the Italy 50 euro cent 2002 Marcus Aurelius statue coin in uncirculated condition typically fetches around $900,000 USD. However, keep in mind that prices can fluctuate based on market trends and the specific preferences of buyers. So, if you're a collector interested in adding this stunning piece of numismatic history to your collection, be sure to keep an eye out for opportunities to acquire it. Whether you're drawn to its artistic design, historical significance, or potential investment value, the Italy 50 euro cent 2002 Marcus Aurelius statue coin is definitely a noteworthy addition to any collection. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed learning about this coin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of coin collecting. Until next time, happy collecting.